so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello, Moose. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. And check this out. This is a giant moose. And today, you and I at Northwest Trek in Eatonville, Washington are gonna see some awesome animals. Maybe we'll see a moose. I am so excited. Let's go. Bye, Moose. Whoa, check out this radical off-road vehicle. This is so cool. This is what you and I are gonna take the tour in. Let's inspect it, make sure it's nice and safe for us. Check it out. These are some big wheels and tires. Whoa, and look at that tread. That is some big tread for some massive off-roading. Yeah. Whoa, check out that up there. That is the canopy top. Just in case if it rains, nothing will hit our heads. It's kind of like an umbrella, but for a vehicle. All right, let's check out inside. Whoa, hey, check this out. Hello, Northwest Trek. Blippi's here. Can I come on the tour?
Hey there, Blippi, you're clear for the tour.
All right, you heard him. We're ready to take the tour. All right, first we need to finish our vehicle tour. All right, check this out. This is where you fill up the vehicle with gas. Yep, it's nice and full. All right, there we go. Oh, now into the back of the vehicle. Whoa! Check it out. Whoa, there's so many seats back here. Whoa! This is so cool. I'm gonna sit right here so I can get a bird's eye view of all the fun animals we're about to see. Let's go! Woohoo! Whoa! Do you see those animals? Those animals are elk. Hey, look at that one. That one has big antlers. That one is a boy. And all those other ones are girls. See you later, elk. Oh, looks like they're playing. See ya. Oh, let's go explore some more animals around here. Whoa, check it out. This is a bison. Whoa! And do you see how it has some fur on the side? Yeah, some really short fur and some long fur. And that long fur is called a cape. Yeah, that means this bison is a boy. Whoa! This bison is so big, it weighs the size of a small car. Whoa! This is so much fun at the Northwest Trek. Whoa! Do you see that animal? That is a moose. One way I can tell that that is a moose is the thing that it has under its chin. Yeah. That's called a bell. Whoa, and there's another moose over here. Hello, Moose. Hey, Moose. Do you see how that moose is moving its ears? Yeah, they have some big ears. They can probably hear really good. Let's see. Hello, Moose. Hello. Hey. I was being really quiet, and it heard me. Whoa! Check out those animals. Those animals are big horned sheep. You see their horns? Yeah, if you look at them from the side, it kind of looks like a circle. Wow, what cool animals! Whoa! This is so much fun at Northwest Trek. We are finding so many animals. They are so cute! Whoa, there's 3 goats right here. Hey, I think you and I should count them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 white goats. Oh, they're so cute. Hello, goats. Hey. Oh. Oh, looks like 2 are leaving. 3 minus 2 is 1. But they're still there, so there's 3. So silly. Whoa, so cool. That bison is massive. And those goats are really small. It's so cool that these 2 species of animals are living right next to each other, and they're getting along. Wow! Northwest Trek is such a great place to see animals that are native to the Pacific Northwest. Yeah! Huh, well, we gotta keep going because we have so many more animals to see. Let's go! Whoa! Do you see those birds? Oh! Oh! They're so big! Those are bald eagles. Do you see how that one has a white neck and head? Yeah, because that is an adult. But that one right there with the darker neck and head, that means it's a juvenile, which is 5 years and younger. Hey, how old are you? Cool! Whoa! This is the wingspan of a bald eagle. Whoa! It has a bigger wingspan than I do. Whoa! Go! 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 Whoa! Do you see that animal? That animal is a raccoon. Whoa! Raccoons are so cute. Yeah, you can find raccoons in a lot of places, like out in the wilderness and even in the city. Yeah, sometimes I hear my garbage at night getting ruffled up. And actually, it's a raccoon just trying to find some food. Oh, do you see that? Those are itty bitty chunks of food for an animal called river otters. I am so excited! Oh, do you see those animals? Those are the river otters I was talking about earlier. And they're eating lunch. Whoa, come check them out. Hey, there they are. Wow, they look really hungry. River otters can actually dive down 60 feet underwater. Whoa, that's about 20 meters. That is really deep. Check them out. Whoa, that is a Wolverine. It has some really sharp claws. And its teeth and jaw is so sharp, it can crunch through bones. Whoa, and these animals are really fierce. They have to be fierce because they live in the wilderness. Whoa, what cool animals. Whoa, do you see those animals? Yeah, those are bears. They're actually grizzly bears. These are the biggest bears that we have in the Pacific Northwest. Whoa, they're so big! And their smell is so good, they can smell food from 20 miles away. Wow, that's like about 32 kilometers. That is so far. Hey, I have an idea. How about you and I act like bears? So we get on all fours, but when you hear music, then you stand up and growl and dance like a bear. Ready? All right, act like a bear. Rah! 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 today at Northwest Trek in Eatonville, Washington. Wow, we sure did learn about a lot of Pacific Northwest animals today, didn't we? Yeah, I really enjoyed learning with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!